Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue the second lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard First, Parts of a Computer. First of all, we will see what is the monitor. Dear students, the monitor looks like a TV screen. The monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows whatever you write using the keyboard. It shows whatever you write using the keyboard. And dear students, you can watch videos on it. You can watch videos on it. Now we will learn about the keyboard. Dear students, the keyboard is used to write. The keyboard is used to write. Write means type. We can type anything on monitor using keyboard. It has many keys on it. It has many keys on it. It has letter keys. It has letter keys. It means A to Z. And number keys 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9. And many other keys on it. We will learn about that keys in next standard. So my dear students, watch the video carefully to understand the lesson and write it in your notebook.